Hello, today I talk about how to download, install, and set up PLC software Codesys. Codesys is a very powerful PLC software. More than 200 manufacturers in the world use Codesys to do PLC program in their brand. Let's start. You can go to Google, the Codesys download, go to the Codesys group website, download. Okay, go to the download, go to the Codesys store. Codesys is the Germany company, so we choose change in English. If you're living in the North America, you can go to the Codesys store. Okay, then go to the here download. We go to detail. You can find a lot of version. The very new version is Codesys 3.5 version 20.50. It's very new version. Okay, we can download here. But if you want to download the Codesys software from the website, you have to register to the Codesys account. You have to become his customer. Okay, I already downloaded. Let's start to okay, install Codesys install. A lot of companies use Codesys to do PLC program. For example, Eaton PLC, Lens PLC, and ABB PLC always use Codesys to do PLC program. Okay, next, accept, next, I'll read the information, next, okay, we installing this folder. Complete. Okay, now it's installed. Codesys 3.5 version 20. Now we can start. We can try first project. New project. We use standard timer. We can test the timer. Here, which language we can use? Most time we use ST, structured text. It's very useful in the Codesys. Okay. So we can click this main power. We can use timer. We use the click here, then boot assistant. You can choose function block, standard, timer. We use TON on delay. Okay. So example look like this. We should copy here, copy. Okay. How? Here is tonicals. We use time 1. Decline this timer TON. This TON. Well, okay. This timer is start. Start 1. Ball. Okay. Here is the PT. What time is T? 1 second. This ET, we can use M1. Okay. Timer. Okay, we use second timer. Timer 2. Here's timer 2. Timer 2. Declare timer TON. Okay. Okay, here is time. Okay, so here is time 1 and time 2. So we can continue. Is online. First rebuild, compare. Then go to online. First simulation. Then go to unlock me. Okay. Now we go to start. Then go to here. We'll debug, write value. Here is working. Okay. Okay. 1 second. Second. 1 second is on. ET1 is on. ET2, ET1 low. Okay. So it's on. That's it. So okay, thank you very much.